With the help of the numerical problem as visual on the screen, in the previous video from this channel we learned to mathematically calculate and prove that EMF induced in transformers is equal to 4.44 F phi m into N, where F is the frequency in cycles per second, phi m is maximum flux, and N is number of turns. Let us consolidate. You may like to take a screenshot of this page and learn and understand the problem and how to solve it. In this video, we should consolidate our information from another video. The problem is from another numerical problem. The problem is, second problem from this channel, a 500 kVA single phase transformer, ratio 6600 by 415 volt, has 5000 turns in primary. This is a transformer. Primary voltage is 6600 volts, secondary voltage is 415 volts. Primary number of turns is 5000 turns. Secondary number of turns is to be calculated. So we have to calculate secondary number of turns. Primary and secondary currents I1 and I2, primary and secondary currents, and maximum flux phi m considering the frequency of 50 Hertz. Now in this problem, what is given is primary voltage is equal V1 is equal to 6600, secondary voltage V2 is equal to 415 kVA, 500 kVA, primary number of turns 5000, that is NP, and we have to find primary and secondary currents I1 and I2, and secondary number of turns NS, and maximum flux. Now number of turns is inversely proportional to voltage, so EP, that is V1, divided by NP, number of primary turns. EP, as is V1, that is the primary voltage, divided by NP, number of primary turns, is equal to ES V2, that is 415, divided by NS, that is to be calculated here. So EP by NP is equal to ES by NS. So NS, that is secondary number of turns, is equal to NP into ES divided by NS. This is equal to 5000 into 415 by 6600. This is equal to 315. So secondary number of turns is 315. So part A is solved. Now we have to find primary and secondary currents. So current is equal to part B. Current is equal to kVA by V so primary current is equal to 500 into 1000 divided by 6600. If we solve this, this will come to be 76 ampere. Had it been three-phase, this is single-phase transformer. Had it been three-phase transformer, this current would have been this divided by √3. That will 30 or 31 ampere. And secondary current equal to 500 into 1000 by 6600. 6600 is 400 and divided by 415. This will come, if we solve this, this will come equal to 1200 ampere. Next, we have to find the maximum flux. So E, that is induced EMF voltage, is equal to 4.44 into F into phi m into N so phi m is equal to E by 4.44 into F into N, taking primary values. Phi m is equal to 6600 divided by 4.44 into frequency is 50 and primary number of turns is 5000. Solving this will come to be 5.95 milliweber. So this is part C. This is part B. This is part B. And this is part A. That's all in this video. Thank you. Stay safe, happy learning. Please like, comment, share and subscribe the video. Thank you very much.